Today, I'm talking to you about the voice and how you can use it for healing. Our voice is a fantastic, free, and powerful tool that we can use for our healing and for that of our clients. Contrary to what you might think, you don't need to be able to sing to use this tool. Hi, Becky. Thanks for joining me.
Oh, you're welcome. Lovely to see you.
You too. So we teach vocal toning as part of our courses and how to use the voice as a standalone course. So can you tell me a bit more about vocal toning and why we do it? And a little demonstration would be amazing.
Absolutely. So, yes, vocal toning is basically where we create vocal sounds as an instrument of healing. So, by creating these sounds, they resonate with our body and our energy body to release, to create relief, and we can direct these sounds to particular areas of the body. So, for example, you could direct the sounds to your heart center. And it can be really lovely to just kind of let any tension go from there and really open up the energy in that space.
Wow. So keeping in mind the heart center, is there a technique that you use to open up the heart center using the voice?
Absolutely. So, one of my all time favorite vocal toning sounds is humming. Humming, so underrated, I feel, and I recommend this to many of my clients after sessions because it's great for many things. But yes, it's great for connecting with the heart energy and opening up the heart center. It's great for releasing and letting anything go, but it's also great for balance as well.
Mhm.
So, what I'd usually suggest with humming is to get settled in the body, taking some nice, gentle, deep breaths, and then spending, you could do 7 hums, you could do it for 5 minutes if you wish, however long you wish. So, I will demonstrate how this works. So, we'll take a nice, gentle, deep breath in, and then just release and settle in our space. And then taking a breath to hum.
That's lovely. You can really feel it, can't you? Just
Oh, absolutely. And the great thing with it as well, if you create the sound, allow it to expand each time that you hum. So you can start obviously at the throat where the sound is originally coming from, but then it can expand into the nasal cavity, around the head, the heart center, and expand throughout the whole body. And like you say, it's really powerful. You can really feel it resonating everywhere.
oh wow. Well, thank you for sharing that with us, Becky. And like you said, you can do that on yourself, you can do that with a client, or you can teach a client to do it, which is really
Absolutely.
fantastic. Okay.
It's a really great and easy, effective tool that everyone can use that you don't need to pay for. We all have.
Brilliant. Yeah. Well, thank you so much. I'm looking forward to chatting to you more about this.
Absolutely. Thank you.
Bye. If you've any questions, pop them in the comments below. And don't forget to hit subscribe.